Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna be unboxing this Hot Wheels 10 Camaro SS HW Rescue, which you could say that's 3 out of 10. This one is it's a rescue car, which you could see on this. The one, it's 10 Camaro. This one I got from warehouse, and this one as well. That one is from Hot Wheels. I'm going to unbox this. Actually, open this. And here we go. This cool car. On this, you could see made in Malaysia. This one, it's Fire Chief from this orange color. This car glass, that one, it's the glass color is yellow. Actually golden these Royal HWFD logo. This one over there, and these ones of course cannot see it very well. Well, these are the lines. This one on the top. This one could car. On this, it's braking speed. And 10 Camaro SS. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then. Bye.